You are never too old for college. Continuous learning is needed for employment today. If you're old enough to work, you're young enough to get to college. The only thing needed is interest, an active mind, and a willingness to learn. Here are a few reasons why you are never too old for college. 1. Getting to college will keep you competitive. If you find your career is at a dead end, going back to college can help you gain the skills you need to switch careers. And just as for college, you're never too old. You're never too old to embark on an exciting new career. Additionally, you can make the point when you go on a job interview that you're working comfortably across all generations. 2. Going back to school as a thing on the bucket list. Getting a college degree will be a way to satisfy all of these wishes. When you believe that the time has arrived to make a move further in higher education, make sure to look at degree opportunities and their return on investment, and use the ability to develop your skills and keep up with the potential economy. You're never too old for college courses to broaden your avocation skill and knowledge. 3. Do the legwork to make it work. Know what skills you need in advance and study what sort of qualifications you need. Make sure all the schools you are looking at are accredited. Community college can often provide a certificate program that will be all you need to get your new career goals moving in. Look at the entry criteria. Whether it's been decades since you took a college application exam, you may need to take one again. Be sure to use the online practice test to help you prepare for this. You will even need to request a copy of your transcript from your high school to submit it to the schools you apply. If the college allows you to have a peer mentor, then accept the offer. A peer tutor has already navigated the nuances of the college transition and will provide you with professional guidance to hold on to your job while attending college. If you're going to straddle the demands of both work and school, you're going to have to do some careful planning. Determine whether you can reduce part-time work and go to school on a full-time basis. But if you need to maintain a full-time job, find out the minimum course load for enrollment in advance. Some employers have school reimbursement programs to help pay the cost. It's never too late to pursue more education. Enjoyed the video so far? Don't forget to press the like button. It greatly helps out the channel. And also subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more content like this.